Hi, today we're making chicken karage with rice, gyoza and homemade cabbage salad. Mmm, it's nice. It's a traditional Japanese dish. So let's go. So we are cutting the cabbage. We slice it very thin. Tuck, 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 tuck. Separate it. Add it to a bowl. Everything. Okay. Season the cabbage with salt, pepper, black pepper, fresh black pepper, cracked pepper, sunflower oil. I don't use olive oil because it's an Asian dish and Asian don't use olive oil. Put some lemon juice and stir it up. Mix everything. Cover with tin foil and put it in the refrigerator. Take all-purpose flour and sift it. Looks like Christmas. Like Christmas and a very shiny nose. Put some hot water in it. It's very important to use hot water, otherwise it won't work. Mix it with chopsticks, sticks. Knead the dough. Knead the dough. Let it rest for half an hour. Take the chicken breast and pound it thin. So use some tin foil to protect the flesh and pound it. Boom. Ouch. So it's also important that the meat is evenly pounded out so everything cooks evenly. Add some soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and garlic. A lot of garlic. I love garlic. Mix everything. And cover with tin foil. Put it in the refrigerator. Half an hour, 1 hour, depends on you. Put some rice. And wash the rice approximately 5 times with cold water. Cover with water. It should be approximately a couple of centimeters above the rice. Put the lid on. While it's cooking, cut some scallions very thinly. Garlic, of course. Minced beef and incorporate everything. we can prepare the gyoza. Flour your board. Cut the dough in small pieces and flatten it. Yeah. It shouldn't be very thin like lasagna, so a little bit thicker, you see. Good. Flatten it out. Yeah, and take a drinking cup and cut out the dough.
Das ist echt eine gute Frage. Kannst du nicht beantworten, ne? Ich kann dir nicht antworten. Ich hab keine Ahnung. Ich bin Arzt zum ersten Mal. Hier.
Zum zweiten Mal.
Zweite Mal. Die Japans?
Ja. Japon.
Japon. Die Otokonokos? Ononokos Mädchen.
Now for the gyoza with the minced pork, beef, scallion mixture, and yeah. I'm not an expert in this, it's my first time doing this, so apologize to the people that they really know what they're doing. I'm just an amateur. So yeah, I've tried many different ways and this is my favorite one. So take the corner, tuck it in until you ran out of dough. So that's basically it. Ta-da! Oh. So to prepare the gyoza properly, you preheat the oil, put the gyoza in, put the lid on so they steam. After the steam has accumulated, put just a little amount of water so everything emulsifies. So shake up the pan so nothing sticks. And ta-da! Nice and brown. Tasty. Tasty. Soda crush. So delicious. Ding 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 ding. Beat up 2 eggs to prepare the batter for the chicken karage. Mix them well. Do not season them, otherwise the egg will get watery. Yeah. Coat the chicken and coat the chicken with panko breadcrumbs. They are a little bit thicker than normal ones, so it will get very nice and crunchy. Cover well. Don't press too hard, otherwise the coating will get too hard. Looks good. Put it in medium hot oil. So this is perfect. Yeah, that's it.